Hello, this is Saurabh Vishwakarma. Welcome to the Study Material Channel 5. Today we are going to start a Java program with CodeSafe that is second largest number among the three number. So let's start now. First, read the statement carefully. Three number A and B are input. Write a program to find second largest number among them. Here the input format. The first line contains an integer t, the total number of test case, t known as the total number of test case. Then t line follow. Each line contains three integer a, b and c. And this is output format. For each test case, display the second largest number among a, b and c in new line. Okay, so we move to the IDE. This is our IDE screen. So start now. First try and catch block. This is a try block. Inside it we will write everything. Scanner. First of all we need a scanner which is used for the taking value from the user. Okay. So sc new scanner system dot in. Then find out the value of t. T is known as total number of test case. Okay. sc dot next int. Then use for loop because we have to uh, run this number of the total number of time. Okay. So int I equal to 1, I less than equal to total number of test case t I plus plus because increment. Then if not sorry first find the three number a int a equal to sc dot next int and b int here int b equal to sc dot next int. Okay. Then int c is also here, c is sc dot next int. We have find this value from user. Okay. Then if the value a is greater than b and operator and the value of a is greater than c, it means the value a is largest number, but we have to find out the second largest number. So we will use again if else condition. Okay. So if b is greater than c, then print system.out.println the b is second largest number, else the c is second largest number. Okay. Same just like if b is greater than c and operator b is greater than a, then it means the value of b is largest number, but we have to find second largest number. So we will use again if else block. If a is greater than c, if a is greater than c, the value of a is second largest number. Otherwise system.out.println otherwise the value of C is greater than the second largest number. Okay, same if C is greater than A and C is greater than B, this is C largest number, but we have to find second largest number. Then again use if else. If C, if A is greater than B, then A is second largest number. Otherwise B is second largest number. Okay, B is second largest number, and we have done this. So we have to find also cage block. Cage block use exception E, and basically we have to return only. Okay, so this program has been done, and we need, okay, it is fully done. We have to check again. This is fully correct program. The program has been fully done, so we have to run it. So first run the program. Okay, we should submit it. This has been executed, and we should, so here you can see the result. Just 1 minute. Okay, it is successfully submitted. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you soon. Thank you.